A FiveM FPS Boost Graphics Pack 2025 ready. Use a lightweight reshade-free pack with removed reflections, reduced shadows, no bloom, doff, motion blur, low texture resolution. Recommended community packs like low-end Performance Boost V3 from GTA 5 mods or Discord servers. To install the pack, 1. Navigate to your FiveM application data folder. C. Users, your name, app data, local FiveM.app, citizen. 2. Replace or paste optimized files, e.g. common, platform, data, etc. 3. Backup original folders before replacing. 3. Lower in-game settings, graphics advanced, texture quality, normal or low, shader quality, low, shadow quality, off, reflection quality, off, MSA, FXAA, TAA, off, population density, variety, low, extended distance scaling, off. Also enable NVIDIA Reflex low latency mode if available. Nashtar 4, edit FiveM.cfg command line. Inside FiveM application data folder, create edit CFG file and add. You can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Apply Windows tweaks. Disable full screen optimization. Right-click FiveM.exe properties compatibility. Check it. Run FiveM as administrator. Nashtar 6. Use high-performance power plan. 1. Wins X. Power options, additional settings. 2. Set to high performance or create a custom ultra performance plan using, you can see the code in our conversation history. 7. Cleanup and background optimization. Use emsconfig to disable background startup services. Use ISLC, Intelligent Standby List Cleaner, open quote, www.wagnerdsoft.com/ please open your app to see this link. Close quote, results. FPS jump from 50 to 60 to 100 to 180 plus, depending on PC. Zero stutter with smooth textures, perfect for RP and modded servers. Eshnog SEO package, SEO titles 1. FiveM FPS Boost Graphics Pack.